In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Analytics integration built into your Zenfolio account to help keep track of information about site visitors. With Google Analytics, you can see details such as the number of visitors that have come to a page, where they came from, their length of stay on your website, and even the search terms they used to locate your website in the first place. Before getting started, it's important to note that when using Google Analytics, you are dealing directly with a third-party provider services. Before using a third-party service, we advise you to review their terms of service and privacy policy. You agree that we are not responsible for any loss or damage brought on by your use of such third-party services, including any harm caused by the transmission of personal data between you and such third party. Also, before proceeding with this video, please ensure that your use of Google Analytics complies with applicable local data protection laws. To use Google Analytics with your Zenfolio account, you'll first need to obtain a measurement ID or a tracking ID for Google Analytics 4. This measurement ID is unique and is attached to your Google Analytics property, and is what will allow you to connect your Zenfolio website to Google Analytics directly. If you already have a Google Analytics property, you won't need to go through the process of creating another one for the same website. However, you will still need to make sure that you create a data stream for your website in the Google Analytics 4 dashboard. If you've already created the property and the data stream for your website, the measurement ID will already be provided for you. To get it, you simply need to log into your Google Analytics dashboard, and on the home page, your measurement ID will be displayed under the property there. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Google Analytics at analytics.google.com. There, you will be prompted to log into your Google account. If you do not already have a Google account, you'll need to create one here. Once logged in, from the Analytics dashboard, click the Admin button in the lower left-hand corner. Then you'll want to click Create Account. First, you'll want to give your account a name, and then configure your account data sharing settings by ticking or unticking the boxes in the fields below. When you're ready, click Next. Next, for the new property you're creating, you'll first want to give it a name. Then you'll want to configure your time zone and configure your currency. You can ignore the Show Advanced options for now. Click Next when ready. Then you'll want to describe your business. You'll also want to choose your business objectives. Once you've filled out your business information, click Create. A pop-up window will ask you to agree to Google's terms of service. Read through the terms of service, and when you're ready, click I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. The last page you'll land on is the Data Streams page. Here, you want to click Web to create a new web data stream from your website. In the website URL field, enter your full website URL or domain. If you change your website domain or URL in the future, you'll need to update this property in order for your data stream to continue working. If you have a custom domain already connected to your account, make sure to enter your custom domain with www in front of it. If you're still using a standard Zenfolio URL, you can use this as well. Just make sure that when you enter your Zenfolio URL that you do not enter www in front of it. Give your stream a name in the field to the right, and then click Create Stream. After doing this, you'll be presented with your web stream details. Note at the top where your stream name, stream URL, and stream ID are, and the last field is measurement ID. This is the ID that you need to connect to your Zenfolio account in order to bridge the connection between Zenfolio and Google Analytics. You can simply click the Copy button to the right to copy this measurement ID to your computer's clipboard automatically. After copying the measurement ID to your computer's clipboard, log into your Zenfolio account, and from your dashboard, click Website in the toolbar on the left. Next, you'll want to head to the Site Settings menu, which can be found in this icon here. Locate the Tracking and Analytics section, and under Google Measurement ID, click in the field and press Command-V on Mac or Control-V on PC to paste the measurement ID that you copied in the previous steps into this field. Once you've done this, be sure to click Publish again to make your changes live on your live website. Once the site has been published, within 48 hours, Google Analytics will then begin tracking your website's visitors and provide you with visitor information over time. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team at support@zenfolio.com or visit our support center for more information.